Welcome to the Dinosaur Creation Zone.
Hi everyone, come explore with me. Wow, this is the Dinosaur Research Lab. Hello! Look, there's a mosquito inside the amber. Maybe this is the key to making dinosaurs. Look, the egg is hatching. It's a baby dinosaur. That's amazing. Ah, the baby Velociraptor is so cute. Now they're bringing the baby to the care area. Let's follow along. Time to go back with your dino family, little Velociraptor. All right, let's keep exploring together. The baby Triceratops are eating grass. So adorable! I think this baby Triceratops wants to play with me. Wow, the baby T-Rex are running around. They're so playful. Wow, the baby Brachiosaurus are small but have such long necks. They're really friendly too. Today was so much fun. Thanks for joining me. See you next time on another adventure.